Home HVAC Services Group is a trusted HVAC contractor serving homeowners and businesses throughout Phoenixville, PA, and the surrounding Chester County communities. Specializing in heating, air conditioning, heat pump, and indoor air quality solutions, the company provides expert installation, repair, replacement, and maintenance services designed to keep properties comfortable year-round. Call our HVAC contractor if you have any questions. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services Group. What does an HVAC contractor do? An HVAC contractor specializes in the installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. These professionals help keep homes and businesses comfortable year-round by ensuring HVAC systems operate efficiently and safely. Do HVAC contractors offer emergency services? Many HVAC contractors provide emergency heating and cooling repair services for urgent issues such as system breakdowns during extreme weather conditions. What is your service area for the Phoenixville, Pennsylvania service office? Our HVAC contractor has served Phoenixville, Montclair, Wayhill, Bertrandville, Kimberton, Oaks, Arcola, Royersford, Valley Forge, Wilbourn Acres, Spring City, Chesterbrook, Parker Ford, Abbey Downs, Audubon, Pennsylvania. Where is your Phoenixville, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 710 Wheatland Street, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania 19460. Our phone number is 610-601-6106. Visit our website, www.homehvacservicesgroup.com/locations/Phoenixville-PA.